Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing the top 6 video editing software available in the present time. These software tools provide a wide range of features and tools for trimming, cutting, splicing, and combining video clips, adding visual and audio effects, adjusting color, brightness, and contrast, and adding titles and captions to create a polished final product. Whether you are a professional filmmaker or just someone who loves to create videos, having the right software can make all the difference. Starting off at number 6, we have VideoStudio Ultimate. This is a video editing software that offers a wide range of features and tools for creating high-quality videos. It's a popular choice among both beginner and professional video editors due to its user-friendly interface and powerful editing capabilities. One of the key features of VideoStudio Ultimate is its intuitive interface. The software is designed to be easy to use, even for those who are new to video editing, and includes a wide range of pre-designed templates and effects that can be used to create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. Starting off at number 5, we have Filmora. This software is a great option for those looking for an affordable and user-friendly video editing software. It offers a wide range of features and is perfect for both beginners and professionals. And one of the standout features of Filmora is its visual effects library, which includes over 100 filters and overlays to help take your videos to the next level. Whether you're looking to add some drama or just have some fun, you'll find everything you need in this library. Coming in at number 4, we have Final Cut Pro X. This software is a top-of-the-line video editing software designed specifically for Mac users. With its intuitive interface, powerful features, and seamless integration with other Apple products, it's a great choice for anyone looking to take their video editing to the next level. Next up at number 3, we have iMovie. This software is a free option for Mac users and offers a simple and intuitive interface that's perfect for beginner and casual video editors. Another great feature of iMovie is its ability to import and edit for Kelvin video. This means you can produce high-quality videos with ease, no matter what type of camera you use. One of the key features of iMovie is its user-friendly interface. The software is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for users to navigate and create high-quality videos quickly and easily. iMovie also includes templates and themes, which can be used to give videos a polished and professional look without requiring advanced editing skills. Another great feature of iMovie is its integration with other Apple applications, such as GarageBand and Photos. This integration allows users to add music and sound effects from GarageBand and import photos and videos from Photos directly into iMovie. At number 3, we have DaVinci Resolve. This software is a complete post-production solution and includes advanced color correction tools, audio editing, and visual effects. In addition to its advanced features, DaVinci Resolve is also incredibly user-friendly. It offers an intuitive interface that makes it easy for even beginner video editors to get started. And, with its support for a wide range of video formats, you can easily import and export your videos for final production. DaVinci Resolve software is free for advanced video editing, but if you want to run DaVinci Resolve effectively on your PC, there are a few requirements you need to consider. These requirements include a fast processor, at least 16 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 2 GB of VRAM. You will also need a large amount of storage space to store your video files and projects. And finally, at number 1, we have Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a professional-level video editing software that offers a wide range of features and tools for creating high-quality videos. From basic editing functions like trimming, splitting, and cutting to advanced features like color correction, audio mixing, and visual effects, Premiere Pro has everything you need to bring your videos to the next level. One of the key features of Adobe Premiere Pro is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned video editor, you'll find the software easy to navigate and use. Additionally, the software integrates seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud tools, making it an essential part of any filmmaker's toolkit. Conclusion 26. So, there you have it, the top 5 video editing software available in the present time. No matter what your skill level or budget, There is a software out there that's perfect for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.